Go to Create, write A5. Go to Element, write gingham blue. I choose this, then follow the process. Go to Tools and choose this shape. Adjust it, then follow the process. After that, go to Tools and choose Line. Adjust the line like this. Go to Text and add a heading. Write Notepad. Go to Font and choose Play Sans. And adjust like this. Go to Elements and write Watercolor Gel. I choose these images. Enjoy!